everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna try to make Mofongo Spanish plantain smash and flavor โอเคพี่น้องทุกคนเฮาสิมาเฮ็ดอาหารสเปนิชกล้วยขั้นบ้านเฮาก็เป็นกล้วยกล้วยน้ำเนาะกล้วยน้ำถ้าเฮาทอดได้มันกรอบดีมาเฮ็ดอาหารสเปนิชมาทุกคนมาเริ่มต้นกันเลยอันนี้เป็นสีเขียวเด้อกล้วยเนี่ยนะปอกเขาบ่ได้ให้เบิ่งก่อนอื่นเบิดพุดคอนโนออยล์เนาะjust canola oil guys. I used one time already but still good, so I'm gonna go ahead use it again. I'm gonna hit Mofongo, try to make Mofongo Spanish Spanish plantain food. I love but I never know how to mix until I watching somebody video and put the oil in the pot now. Mofongo, I may say the right or wrong, okay, forgive me, alright? Cause first time I'm gonna make, let's try together. Cause I have like 6-7 plantains, so I don't want to lose it. So just get started, make something so we can eat good food and the oil, color oil. Okay, let the oil get hot, then I will show you how to start it. มาเริ่มต้นกันเลยพี่น้องให้น้ำมันหอดก่อนเด้อ Okay, let's get started. Okay, 7 minutes of each side. That's what I'm watching another day. She says 7 minutes of each side. So let's go 7 minutes of each side. Start 309. Okay. Just get finished all of this. So maybe 317 of each side. But I have oil over this one. Should be one time 7 minutes or 10 minutes, in my opinion, because the oil is covered up of plantain right here. The oil is covered up. So we should go 317. To be done, right? Just cook together. 317. Okay. So about 2 more to go. 2 more to cook. Okay, everyone. After 4 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn over because they say 7 minutes. The oil is covered up, so be 7 minutes. The oil not covered up, so be 7 minutes of each side. I mean 14 minutes total. But this is oil covered up, and okay, I'm just go ahead stir fry like this. How about that? How about that? You know what I mean? It's too much to turn. All right, another 4 minutes. Make it easy because the oil is covered, so only 7 minutes total. 7 or 8 minutes, that's it. In my opinion, this is where I cook rice. But I look at her, the way she cook. She says 7 minutes of each side, but she got oil only halfway. I got oil covered up, so it should be covered up. Alright. Okay, everyone, 7 minutes already. I'm gonna go ahead and try to take it off, take it out. Should be fine, right? Should be cooking. Right here. Should be cooked. Crispy now. Look like cooking to me. Okay, take off the oil. Alright. Okay, everyone, sit in here, let the oil drain out, and okay, one last one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up. Finish it up. Okay, another 7 minutes. Okay, that's the last one. That look delicious. Golden yellow. Look crunchy. So here another one. This is the last one. Alright, let's let it cook 5 more minutes. Okay everyone, it's just about to be done. Take it out of here. Last one. Okay everyone, this is the last one. Alright, put in here, then we can make Mofongo later. Oh พี่น้องเอ้ยอาหารแบบใหม่เด้ออาหารสเปนิชโอเคเอามาทอดแล้วก็มาตำแล้วก็ใส่เกลือใส่แป้งนัวใส่พริกใส่กระเทียมแล้วก็ลองมึงเด้อปกติเฮ็ดลองมึงโอเคเอาให้มันเย็นก่อนโอเค Okay everyone, my painting already done cooking, and look at this. I had the big one. I saw the original people like Mexico, whatever they do, they got so small. It's not enough to do it. I got the big one right here. Okay, then I got garlic. Okay, let's put garlic. I love garlic. See, I put 2 garlic in here. Okay, I love garlics. So let's go smash this one. 2 garlics. Smash this one. Okay everyone, I smelled the garlics already. Good. This is I make my own way taste. Okay, it's not gonna be like original people they do it, but I watching with the video, so I see how they do it. But I'm gonna make my own taste. Well, let's put this one in. About just enough for. Okay, that's it right there. Just to smash it down. Believe it or not, it smells so delicious, guys. It smells so delicious. It smells so good. Okay, let's smash this one down. This is gonna be vegetarian, guys. Okay, no meat. And I have olive oil. I bought that today. Olive oil, extra virgin. I'm gonna put in here a little bit. No wonder it's so dry, because I didn't put the olive oil a little bit in here. Just the way they do, a little bit. Okay, that's it. And then let's make a smash. That's why it's so dry. It's so funny. This is the first time I make. Everyone, forgive me. And I put olive oil in here already, so I'm gonna go ahead put seasoning sauce. Alright everyone, I'm gonna put seasoning sauce. I make this sauce a little bit. I like spicy. See how the taste, make my own. Okay, a little bit first, and then try to mix. I put this as a pink sea sauce. Alright, let's go. It smells very good though. Put the chicken broth in here a little bit. Just chicken broth taste. And dripping olive oil a little bit more. Okay, that's it. Okay. See that? Let me taste. Tastes good. I am vegetarian, so I'm gonna go ahead and put the cilantro, parsley, and spring onion. Put in here. I am eat vegetarian. Oh, it smells delicious, guys. Okay, look. It looks delicious now. This one I'll put in the bowl. In the bowl, everyone. So it's my own taste. It's first time I make. Wow, unbelievable. Everyone. So I'm done right here. Let's try to put in here. Put in the. Oh yes, see how they come out, right? Oh yes. Oh yes, looking good. Oh yes. There you go. My own taste for Mofongo. Made by Sisu, made by Crazy Rich Cooking. It tastes good. If I don't do exactly the way they do, but it tastes good, okay? Alright everyone, so just go eat it. And thank you for everyone for watching. If you do it right or wrong, just let me know, okay? Because this is what I do in my own taste. My sauce, the garlic, and olive oil, and my own taste. And you can eat. You eat with meat, but I don't want no meat. I want to eat like this. Thank everyone for watching. See you later. Bye bye now.